Want to create a sleek vector avatar but don't know where to start? I'll show you a fast and easy way to design a pro level avatar in Adobe Illustrator, even if you are a beginner. Welcome to day 11 of Learning Digital Art. Today we are going to learn how to create a professional level avatar or character using basic shapes. So let's get started. Start with the basic shape. Use the rectangle tool to draw a square for the face. Hold shift to keep it perfect. Then draw a triangle with the same width as the square and adjust its position. Merge both shapes like this. We will add curves to shape the face and draw circles for the ears. Now let's build the facial features. So we will add the eyes, nose and mouth using basic shapes. Okay, first use circle for the eyes. We will use Pathfinder tool to merge or subtract shape for the unique facial features. So we will adjust a little bit. Now we will add lines. Draw a rectangle for the eyebrows, adding a curve to the top right for a natural look. Draw a triangle for the nose, a little bit adjustment. Add curves for the smoother shape. We will add line also. And for the mouth, start with an ellipse. Add anchor point on both sides and adjust slightly. Then draw a curved line for the smile and center it on the lips. If you want to create this type of avatar without any drawing, just open Adobe Illustrator and start following this video. We will make slight tweaks to the face, like adding a curved line for the chin. To avoid a flat look, we will add more details, such as a cheek blush on the both sides and additional detail to the ears. A simple flat avatar might use just a circle for the ear, but since we are creating a more detailed avatar, we will add depth and shadow. Once we finish one ear, we will reflect it to the other side. Draw a rectangle for the hair. We will add curves to the top on the both sides. Since we are creating a female avatar, we will add bangs in the front. Next, we will add shadow and highlights to the face. To do this, copy the face shape and paste it twice. Subtract the extra shape and delete it. For the highlight, use the lighter tone, and for the shadow, we will use the darker tone. We will also add a shadow on ears. We will keep the opacity at 36%. Next, let's draw the glasses using the circles. And add a shadow behind them. Fill the glasses with a purple color and reduce the opacity. Then we will add reflections lines to enhance them. These details will make the glasses look more natural. The face is done. Next, we will draw the neck using a rectangle shape. The color should be slightly darker than face. Don't forget to add a shadow on the neck using black color. Just copy the face shape, drag it down and adjust. Add some curves here as well. Now draw a rectangle for the shoulder or body. We will also adjust the hair like this. Finally, add curves for the shoulder. Here I am changing the color, but you can use any color you like. Draw a line to define the hand. Then transform it for the other side. Next, we will add a fancy collar using circles. We'll adjust a little bit. And we will delete the extra shapes with the Pathfinder tool. If you want to learn more about Adobe Illustrator tools, you can watch my top 10 Adobe Illustrator tools video. For the next part, we will add a pattern. Select the object, click the Draw Inside tool and start drawing inside the selected shape. Here, we will add a dotted pattern to the girl's top. All done. Our female avatar is created. I think we should add a background. This step is optional, it's up to you, but we will add one here. And we will place a circle behind the character. Now our first avatar is completely ready. You can create more diverse characters using basic shapes just like we did. And there you have it, your very own professional vector avatar in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment with your avatar design. Thanks for watching.